Hey guys, I hope everyone is doing well today, and I hope you've used good trading strategies to profit from the crude oil today. Well, I did manage to take one trade, and that turns out to be a good winner. I've managed to profit £2,625 from a single trade, and that happened very easy. I've noticed the price of crude oil was bouncing from the middle view up, and I will show you where exactly I took my trade and where was my profit call. As you can see on the chart today, that is where I took my trade. The price was just coming back from its low for the day, and when it just broke above the view up and then bounced back, goes up all the way to the top view up. Let me now break down the trade for you. Hopefully I can shed some light onto my skills and knowledge and share them with you. As you can see, the vitally important point in the whole trade is the beginning of the new trend, and that is when we broke above the view up. Now, since we broke above the view up, I was expecting a little pullback and potentially testing the new support level, which in this case is the view up. And that's what just happened. I waited and waited and waited until this point right over here. As you can see, the red candle, and after that the big green candle. It's very important as that is just consolidating its upward momentum. That's where I took my trade. I've entered just right here. I just waited a few more minutes and I closed my trade at £70 per barrel. And that is how easy you can profit from the view up strategies. I'm here to help you with many strategies and wisdom on trading, so make sure to follow for more trading tips and wisdom.